in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox face tracking, not working, or showing. The platform Roblox is well liked among kids and teenagers. With the use of a brand new function called Roblox face tracking, users can manipulate the facial expressions of their Roblox avatar. Unfortunately, for some users, Roblox face tracking not working and Roblox face tracking not showing up. So, how are we going to fix this one? So, there are tons of reasons why this thing happens when you play Roblox. First reason why camera is not working or face tracking not working or showing is your camera is not working. So you have to check your camera if it's working or not. So, there's a significant probability that your camera is, there's a significant probability that your camera is broken or turned off if the Roblox face tracking feature isn't picking up your facial emotions. It's also possible that your gadget is incompatible. Make use of other apps to test your camera. If it's not working, you might need to fix or replace it, particularly if it's an older model. Second thing to do to enable this feature is you have to verify your age. So to do that, you just have to go to your settings, account info, and verify your age so that you can see this feature, okay? Or you can enable your camera feature here, okay? And then third we have here is you have to make sure or you have to check your device compatibility. The face tracking feature might not be supported by all devices. The feature might not function as intended if you're using an outdated device or one with a poor camera. So you have to try using a different, more recent gadget if it's possible. Four, you have to ensure a stable internet connection. Okay, so face tracking is one of the Roblox features that can have problems if there is a weak or unpredictable internet connection. When using the face tracking feature, make sure your internet connection is steady. And then next we have here is change Roblox privacy settings. The privacy area of your Roblox account settings is present. Here you must grant Roblox permission to use the camera and microphone on your device. The microphone input and camera input settings are toggled on to do this. The face tracking feature might not function if this are not turned on, so it's very important to have these features. And last is verify the feature availability. There's a chance that not all platforms or regions will have access to the face tracking capability. To find out if the functionality is accessible in your area and on your platform, see the Roblox blog or official announcements. It could be a good idea to get in touch with Roblox customer care if after trying everything you still can't get the face tracking feature to operate. They can assist determining whether the issue is brought on by a bug or a problem with your particular account or equipment. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.